Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function context and data modeling. Let's solve it together. A company monitors the number of downloads of their new fitness app each month. What model best describes the growth in downloads? T is in months given 0 through 4, and the D of T, which is the downloads in thousands, from 50,000 through 253.13 thousands. And we're given 4 choices, and we will just try to solve it. And the best thing you can do for this kind of questions, I can suggest that just substitute the given values for the T, so that look for the function equivalence, which is when you substitute 0 for the T, you're supposed to get 50. So when I substitute 0 for the T, and choice A, 1.5 to the power of 0 is 1 times 50 is it is 50. So 25 times 0 is 0 plus 50 is 50. To the power of 0 is 1. 50 times 1 is 50. 75 times 0 is 0. So we can go ahead and eliminate the choice D. Let's substitute 1 now. And when I substitute 1 for the T, we're supposed to get 75,000. So now 1.5 to the power of 1 is 1.5 times 50. That is going to give you 75. And choice B, 25 times 1 is 25 plus 50 is 75. And choice C, 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 times 50 is 100. But I was looking for a 75. That's why I'm going to go ahead and eliminate the choice C. And let's substitute now a value 2. When I substitute 2, you're supposed to get 112.5. So choice A and B, if you look at choice B first, 25 times 2 is 50, right? So 50 plus 50 is 100. That's why choice B will be eliminated. But when you put 2 for the T, 1.5 squared times 50 will still give you 112.5. Therefore, the correct answer is choice A for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.